Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Coinomi wallet application using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to update your Coinomi wallet application, then the process is quite simple. Open up your Play Store from your Android device, and if you're using an iOS device, open up your App Store. Into the search box at the top, type in Coinomi. Perform your search. Once you find the application in the search result, if it says update right next to the app, tap on the green button that says update and wait until your application gets updated. It'll only take a while depending upon your internet speed. Now once you've updated the application, your Coinomi application comes up with a bug fixes and performance improvement. Soon after the app is updated, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch open your updated Coinomi application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.